Hello, I'm Ayeecourt, and today I'm going to show you how to do a section of hair and part it, and just you want to hold them tight as you can, good grip on them, okay? So when you grab the hairs, you go under the hair and pointer finger. So I cuff the hair like a C under my middle finger and place them and grab and twist. That's when I put my second piece of hair. I twist, pointer finger, tightly grip. And grip like you would. That I'm grabbing. Yeah, I grab the hair and go under. Take that middle piece, and that's my I do under braid technique with twisting. Came up with from braid was just think of it as I'm doing a cornrow on the scalp, but I'm actually not doing it on the scalp. The hair cornrow, add the hair cornrow, and how many other pieces that you gotta add in to make it longer, the thickness, or how that little song in my head. Hope it helps you out also, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of it. I left everything in slow-mo for you. And comment down below what else would you like to see. You can learn how to do this yourself, because I'm all about learning how to do